Do you work?
Yes, I work here.
Where do you work?
I work nearby here.
Is this your university?
Yes, I study here.
Do you study here too?
Yes, first year student.
What do you study?
I study business management.
Is business interesting?
Yes, very interesting subject.
Do you like your university?
Yes, I love it.
Is this university big?
Yes, very big campus.
Is the campus beautiful?
Yes, very beautiful indeed.
Do you come here daily?
Yes, every single day.
What is in your bag?
Books and my notebooks.
Do you have many books?
Yes, quite a few.
Is studying hard for you?
Sometimes hard, sometimes easy.
Do you have many classes?
Yes, 5 classes daily.
What time do classes start?
Classes start at 9.
Do you wake up early?
Yes, at 7 always.
Do you drink coffee?
Yes, every single morning.
Is that your coffee?
Yes, my morning coffee.
Do you like coffee?
Yes, I love it.
Is coffee good for studying?
Helps me stay awake.
Do you study every night?
Yes, every single night.
How many hours do you study?
About 3 hours daily.
Is 3 hours enough?
Yes, enough for me.
Do you have exams soon?
Yes, next week actually.
Are you ready for exams?
Getting ready every day.
Do you feel nervous?
A little nervous, yes.
Do your friends help you?
Yes, we study together.
Do you have a study group?
Yes, 4 of us.
Is studying together helpful?
Yes, very helpful indeed.
Do you work part-time?
Yes, on weekends only.
Where do you work?
At a small cafe.
Do you like your job?
Yes, people are nice.
Is the job easy?
Yes, quite easy work.
How many hours do you work?
About 6 hours a weekend.
Do you earn good money?
Enough for my needs.
Do you save your money?
Yes, I save some.
Is saving money important?
Yes, very important habit.
What do you save for?
For my future plans.
Do you have big dreams?
Yes, very big dreams.
What is your dream job?
I want to manage companies.
Is that a good job?
Yes, very good career.
Do you have a plan?
Yes, clear 5-year plan.
Is planning important?
Yes, very important, always.
Do you have a laptop?
For my studies.
Do you use it daily?
Yes, every single day.
Is it a good laptop?
Yes, works very well.
Do you type fast?
Getting faster every day.
Do you take notes in class?
Yes, always take notes.
Are your notes organized?
Yes, very neat notes.
Do teachers like you?
Yes, I think so.
Are you a good student?
I try my best.
Do you get good grades?
Yes, mostly good grades.
What is your best subject?
Mathematics is my best.
Is mathematics difficult?
For some, yes, me, no.
Do you help classmates?
Yes, I love helping.
Is helping others good?
Yes, very good habit.
Do you have a mentor?
Yes, my professor helps.
Is your professor good?
Yes, very kind professor.
Does he teach well?
Yes, explains things clearly.
Do you ask questions in class?
Yes, many questions always.
Is asking questions important?
Yes, best way to learn.
Do you read extra books?
Yes, outside class too.
Do you use the library?
Yes, 3 times weekly.
Is your library big?
Yes, thousands of books.
Do you like the library?
Yes, very quiet there.
Do you have a favorite spot?
Near the window always.
Is natural light good for studying?
Yes, helps my eyes.
Do you take study breaks?
Yes, every 1 hour.
What do you do on breaks?
Walk and drink coffee.
Is walking good for the brain?
Yes, refreshes my mind.
Do you exercise regularly?
Yes, 3 times weekly.
What exercise do you do?
Running and some weights.
Is exercise important for students?
Yes, helps focus better.